Greetings. We are Team TechX and our problem statement is open innovation. Under that, our project is phishing detection. Brief about our project. Shielded. Imagine your phone had a built in bodyguard against online scams. Our app Shielded is really your privacy and security saver. How it differs from other app is all the existing product is you want to copy the link which you have a suspect and paste that in a manually where it detects whether it is a phishing link or not. Our app is differs from others because you need not do any manual action over here. All you have to do is download our app. It automatically detects your notification, and if the notification pops with any phishing link, then it blocks the link and all the similar links. And unknowingly, if you copy the phishing link, your clipboard detects that it is a phishing link. And the other side is Instagram. If you get any fake ads in your Instagram, it blocks the ad using DNS server. So it used to solve our problems which we fall often unknowingly with our carelessness. We all go for phishing link and then do that. This will be prevented by using our app. Its unique selling proportion is you need not do any manual actions. Only you have to do is download our app. All the features offered by a solution, as I said before, it's a real-time scam link detector for notification, clipboard scam link guard, and then a fake Instagram ad blocker. All I told. And this is the flow diagram where it starts, receives the link, and then it checks for phishing link or not. If it is a phishing link, then it blocks. Then it is a mock diagram, and it is a architecture. All the technologies used is we used IDX platform and then Java for backend. We used Gemini API for safe browsing links, and then we access the DNS server to block the Instagram ads, and the front end is Node.js. Right now, our implementation cost is zero. Our snapshots of MVP and our link. Thank you. Thank you for listening to me patiently. I hope that you like our project where all you need to do is download our app. Thank you.